In this video, I'm going to show you how to journal on TradeZella. Now, there's actually a few ways and it's actually very simple. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Add Trade button and you want to click on Add New Account and then you want to connect your broker. So for example, let's say I want to connect, I don't know, maybe like Trade08 over here. You can just click on it and then here, of course, you can either auto sync, which is recommended, and to do this, click on here, press continue, and then you'll basically just have to select your account type and the start date, press connect, and then most of them will allow you to basically sign in directly here in the separate window, click on login, and then you'll be good to go and you are connected. So that's usually how easy it is, and your basically your trades are going to be journaled automatically. However, you could also use the file upload, for which I do have a separate tutorial. Go ahead and watch it if you want to know how to do this, or you could also add in trades manually and journal that way. So of course you can press here, select your type, your symbol, and then you can just create new executions and save trades and journal them that way. So let's say you now have an account set up. To journal, the easiest way is just to basically click on Add Trade, top left, and you can go ahead and select your account, click on Add Trades over here next to it, and it's going to allow you to basically manually input in your trades, and then you'll be able to view them inside the trade view. So if I just go over to Thinkorswim here, which is one of my accounts, I can go to trade view and it's going to show me my current positions over here. And if I go to add trade, I could go and click on here where you can see Thinkorswim plus icon, and I can add another one over here. So for example, if I go to stock, if I type in Apple, okay, and then here I'm going to do create new execution. I'm going to do it today, like this. There we go. I'm going to click on quantity 1 and then buy. Price, I'm just going to make something up because I'm not sure how much it's currently worth. And then I'm going to delete the second one, click save trade, and the trade will be saved. And you can then go to trade view here and you'll be able to see, there we go, my trade has been opened. So that's pretty much how you do it. That's how you journal on TradeZella. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.